I know, it's been forever. Now, before you ask, yes, I dyed my hair. It's a lot darker now. And no, I did not film it. I'm ashamed of me too. Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Fit Curls. Finally, I know it's been a minute. My name is Angela. I am a fitness professional and a curly hair enthusiast, and I use this channel to teach you how to keep your curls in shape. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you can be notified every single time I post a new video. Now today we are doing something that I honestly don't know if I have ever done on this channel, and that is a one brand wash day. I was fortunate enough to be able to partner up with FLORA and Curl for this video and display some of, honestly, my new favorite products that have kept my curls looking bouncy, shiny, and defined for days on end. So if you guys are excited to see how this styling process goes for me and which products I use, go ahead and hit this with a thumbs up, and without further ado, let's get styling. To cleanse today, I used the FLORA and Curl Coconut and Mint Scalp Refresh Shampoo. This has an extremely runny texture and definitely falls on the low poo end of the shampoo spectrum. It's sulfate-free and very low lather. What I'm showing you here is actually my second cleanse. It lathered even less on the first round. FLORA and Curl is all about plant-based botanical formulations for all curl types. As the product name suggests, this shampoo is high in both coconut oil, which is a fairly neutral carrier oil, and peppermint oil, which has shown some promise in stimulating hair growth and soothing scalp irritation. It also contains tea tree oil, which is commonly used as a gentle chemical exfoliant that can help soothe the symptoms of eczema and scalp psoriasis. It smells very refreshing. And while I wish it lathered more, it is an effective cleanser and leaves my scalp feeling happy. My only caution is that it's not ultra color friendly, so I would recommend alternating or combining it with a color protecting cleanser. After cleansing comes conditioning, so I reached for the Coconut and Mint Curl Refresh Conditioner. This has a very creamy texture, but isn't ultra slippery. So I found the most success in applying it to extremely wet hair section by section. However, because it's not as emollient as some other conditioners, it's more balanced and less likely to over-condition fine curls. This is a huge selling point for me, as I consistently struggle with finding the right balance of softness and structure. Just like the mashing shampoo, this conditioner smells clean and refreshingly herbal, which makes for a soothing shower experience. To me, using the FLORA and Curl products feels like at-home aromatherapy. After I thoroughly detangled, I clipped my hair up to allow the conditioner to sit while I finished my shower, dried off, and covered up about 15 minutes, and then rinsed in the sink. Goodbye, back knee. All right, I am rinsed, I am a clean canvas, and I am ready to go with styling. My hair honestly feels really, really nice. Not over conditioned, but really manageable. So my next step, I am not doing a leave-in conditioner of any kind with this because my next product that I'm going to use is moisturizing enough. I'm going to start styling with the FLORA and Curl Curl Activating Lotion. I love this stuff, and I'm pretty sure by the results you guys are gonna see why. So I'm going to be using my MPH method to style, and I'm going to be defining my curls with the lotion. I've said it before, and I will say it again now. The key with stylers, and especially curl creams, is to emulsify like whoa. For every application, I emulsify the product for at least 10 seconds. This gives me maximum product coverage for even application and easy detangling. I adore the scent of the Sweet Hibiscus stylers, and I am obsessed with the amount of slip I get from this silicone-free lotion. It also contains hydrolyzed rice and wheat proteins for some added structure, and bonus, it's glycerin-free, so it works beautifully regardless of the dew point. This is going to be a winter holy grail for my curls. Now, while my hair is still this wet, immediately after defining, as part of my moisturizing step, I'm actually going to use a second product, and that is the FLORA and Curl Sweet Hibiscus Curl Volumizing Foam.
Give this a shake, and I'm just gonna scrunch in 1 or 2 pumps into this section of my hair. This stuff is super pillowy and lightweight. It smells fantastic, and I find that adding a tiny bit of extra moisture and hold at this stage has really been helping my hair to last. Just a little peek at what we've already got so far. I am loving the shape and size of the clumps that we have. So if you want to see more detail on my MPH method, click the link above here to take a look at that after you finish watching this video, and I will see you guys once my entire head has been defined section by section. All right, curls are defined. They are still plenty wet, hence the next step in the MPH method, the P, which is for plop. So I'm just going to use this to micro plop my curls to get the excess moisture out before I apply my hold styler. All right. Now, as you can see, they are already much springier than they were before I micro plopped, and this is also going to shorten my drying time by quite a bit. And now, for the final step in the MPH method, hold. And I can't show labels. And today I am using the FLORA and Curl Defining Gel. This stuff reminds me of my favorite Camille Rose curl maker. It has a very similar kind of moisturizing, slippery, jelly feel, but it also creates a really nice, solid, but flexible cast. And bonus, it has a little bit of protein in it, which my fine high porosity hair just loves. So all I'm gonna do is a sensible flip coat scrunch to apply a few pumps of this.
This gel is definitely moisturizing enough to be raked through, if that's how you like to apply your gels. I prefer this glazing and scrunching application to enhance my curls and increase volume. Let me know in the comments if you're a raker or a scruncher.
And here are the wet results so far. Let me give you a little tour. I am super excited to see how these dry today. And speaking of drying, I'm gonna go ahead and diffuse. With the MPH method, you always have the option of air drying. I just prefer to diffuse, and if you want to see how I typically do that, click the link right up here. I will see you guys on the dry side.
And here we are, dry, uncrunched, and dare I say, fabulous. My results with FLORA and Curl are always structured, springy, and soft for the perfect combination of definition and volume. I mean, just look at this chunky ringlet. I love the shine and the weightlessness I get from this routine, and I truly cannot recommend this brand highly enough. Everything I use today will be linked in the description box below, as always. And thanks again to FLORA and Curl for sending me these products and for agreeing to sponsor this video. Let me know what you all think in the comments.
So there you have it. That is my full FLORA and Curl wash day. What did you guys think? Go ahead and drop a comment down below with any of your thoughts, opinions, and impressions of this video, as well as any of your experiences with FLORA and Curl and which product you are most excited to try. Now, if you enjoyed this video and you want to see more like it, more one brand wash days, go ahead and hit this with a thumbs up. Not only does it really boost the video and my channel in the algorithm, but it also gives me an idea of the kind of content that you guys want to see so I can make the fit curls the best fit for you. Now, speaking of the fit curls, if you haven't joined the family, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell if you want to be notified every single time I post before you go. And please feel free to join me all across social media. I spend most of my time on Instagram and TikTok, and the content that I post there is different than what you guys will see here. So make sure you're getting the full fit curls experience and join me everywhere. Don't forget, we have new merch. It is linked in my link tree in my bio, along with tons of discount and affiliate codes for you so you can do a little bit of shopping for yourselves. And with that, thank you guys so very much for watching this video, having patience with me, and continuing to support the Fit Curls. Love your curls, love each other, and I will see you all next time. Bye.